Cambridge International as Level. Psychology. Paper 1. Approaches, Issues, and Debates. February-March 2021. 1 hour 30 minutes. The total mark for this paper is 60.
Question 1. From the study by dementing treatment, sleeps and dreams. A part. Name the stage of sleep when participants recalled most of their dreams. 1 mark. The answer is REM. B. Outline one dream reported by a participant that had vertical eye movements. 2 marks. The answer is the participants reported climbing up a ladder and looking up and down. Part C. Outline one conclusion from the study. 2 marks. All three propositions are supported, and so the findings of the study provide experimental evidence further to factor theory of emotion. Question 2. In the study by Kevin et al., Service Samaritans, one observer watched passengers in the critical area. A. Name two variables that this observer recorded about these passengers. 2 marks. The answer is the observer recorded their gender and race, either black or white. Part B. William et al. Investigated the idea of diffusion of responsibility. Outline what is meant by diffusion of responsibility. 2 marks. The answer is diffusion of responsibility is based on the idea that if one person witnesses an event, he or she is 100% responsible for helping. If there are more people, then responsibility is diffused among them. Part 2. Outline one finding that did not support diffusion of responsibility in this study. 2 marks. The answer is diffusion of responsibility predicts that the more people there are, the less helping there will be. In this study, helping was faster when there were more people. Question 3. Explain one or more real-world applications of the study by Ventura et al. Aggression. Do not refer to more than 3 applications in your answer. 5 marks. The answer is many countries have restrictions on viewing such as TV times before which programs with inappropriate content for children cannot be shown. This is called the 9 p.m. watershed in the UK. And certifications for films and games which indicate the age of child it is deemed suitable for viewing. Question 4. From the study by Kenley et al. Brain Scans and Emotions. Part A. Name two characteristics that were used to match the first scenes and the previously viewed scenes. 2 marks. The answer is valence ratings and arousal ratings. B part. Describe the participants used in the study. 3 marks. Answer. The participants were 10 right-handed healthy female volunteers. Females were chosen because they are more likely to respond psychologically and more probable to report intense emotional experiences. C part. Explain why this study is from the biological approach. 2 marks. The answer is the study provides evidence of specific brain function, providing links between the amygdala and memory for emotional experiences. Question 5. In the study by Milgram obedience, there was a victim learner and a participant teacher. Describe the procedure the victim followed to give feedback to the participant during the learning task. 4 marks. The answer is the teacher would read out word pairs, and the learner responded with an answer by pressing a button so it was displayed on a screen in a teaching room. When 75-volt shock was given to the learner, he shouted, "Hey, this hurts." At 300 watts, the learner pounds on the wall of the room. Question 6. Describe the psychology being investigated in this study by Pepperberg that used Alex the parrot as a participant. 5 marks. The answer is Pepperberg used the model-driven technique based on social learning. This involves a trainer and a model. The trainer presents objects and asks questions regarding them, giving praise and reward to the model upon giving correct answers and disapproval on incorrect answers. The responses of model were observed by Alex, and in addition the model acted as a rival, competing with Alex for the trainer's attention. Question 7. From the study by Yamamoto et al. Chimpanzee Helping. Part A. Outline one aim of the study. 2 marks. Answer is The main aim was to investigate how rather than why, and whether chimpanzees can understand the need of conspecifics. B. Outline one methodological weakness of this study, 2 marks. The answer is the study has low ecological validity because it was conducted in a laboratory, an artificial environment. The chimpanzees were provided tasks and tools that were not part of their natural environment. C part suggests the real world application based on the procedure of the study. 2 marks. The study by Yamamoto et al. Demonstrates that chimpanzees, like humans, have the capacity and inclination to help conspecifics. It can help us to understand more about chimpanzee society's work in the world, work in the wild. Question 8a. Outline what is meant by the nature-nurture debate using any examples. Do not refer to the study by Shastra and Singer to practice an emotion in your answer. 4 marks. The answer is nature is the way we behave due to our inheritance and genes, while nature is the behavior we show due to our experiences and influences after conception. In the study by Bagheera, situational influence of models, the acquisition of aggressive behavior, and the suppression of them by the non-aggressive models are examples of nurture. Boys are more likely to imitate aggressive behavior than girls, possibly because boys have more of the hormone testosterone, which is a nature factor. B. Explain how one result from the study by Chastain and Singer to factors in emotion supports the nature side of the nature-nurture debate, and how one result supports the nurture side of the nature-nurture debate. Result that supports the nature side of the debate. In all of the epinephrine conditions, the pulse rate increased for all participants. Explain how. This is a biological reaction as it is a hormone being released into the bloodstream. Result that supports the nurture side of the debate. In the euphoria condition, the misinformed group produced the highest activity index score compared to all groups. Explain how. This is because the participants may have been choosing behavioral cues to explain their feelings, so acted in this way to as a result of external forces. Question 9. Evaluate the study by Lanier et al. False memory in terms of 2 strengths and 2 weaknesses. At least one of your evaluation points must be about independent measures. 10 marks. The answer is there are many strengths of the study by Lanier et al. False memory. One of them is that the method was a laboratory experiment, as all of the participants were tested in a standardized environment and given the same questionnaires in each condition. Another strength is that the use of closed questionnaires with rating scales provides quantitative data which allow the comparisons between in the study session 1 and session 2 and even between experiment 1 and 2. There are also many weaknesses of the study by Lanier et al. One of them is that the sample in the research consists of university students and introduces participant variables that could distort the outcomes of the research, reducing the validity of the research. Another weakness is that the students might react differently to the false information and be more impressionable than adult or child, to whom this study may not be generalizable.